Here's a commercial building that will be getting cleaned up. You know, some mold and mildew there. Along these metal gutters. Also the gutter system's dirty. Here there's the sign. This is real bad. This is a painted brick right here. Look at that gutters, especially down here. But I'll be getting this all cleaned up. Alright, here's the building. See how clean those gutters just make this building. You can see how those clean gutters make this building shine. Over here was quite nasty with mold and mildew. These gutters were real nasty. What a difference a nice clean building makes. Now this is how a building's supposed to look.